is considered to be the past tense. Further, it's having four kinds. The first one is simple past tense or past indefinite tense. The formation or the rule is subject plus second form. Mostly we use ed. We join ed in the end of spellings like danced, played, and some spellings are different. We are not joining ed like ate, ran. These are the past tense. So second form with subject plus second form is the affirmative sentence, simple sentence. For negative sentences, we join subject. In the subject, we join did not, verb first form. Okay, always remember in the past tense, negative and interrogative sentences, we use did with the first form. Second form will not be used. Examples: the boy took his books and went to school. This is simple affirmative sentence. That's why there is second form took and went. And in the second sentence, we can see that it's negative ones. So we have used I did not. And the first form is borrow. I did not borrow money from him yesterday. Third sentence is interrogative. The question has been asked. So, did the helping verb will come first? Did she prepare? First form will be there. Did she prepare the solution in the lab? Fourth sentence, we can begin the question with WH word also why. But we have to use did in the past tense. Why did he not eat his meal today? The pigeons flew away with the trap. Flew, the verb is in the second form. So the examples are clear of simple past tense. Coming up to the next kind, past continuous tense. This tense shows the action that was in continuity in the past. The action was in continuity but in the past. Continuation means the present, but the tense past continuous is showing that the work was in continuous in progress in the past. For this, we are using the helping verbs was and were plus ing. So subject plus was and were plus first form of verb and ing is used according to the rule. Example, they were playing. Now our subject is plural. Subject is they and it is plural. That's why we are using were. And ing is added in the action verb, playing. Their football match at that time. Second sentence, Wordsworth and Coleridge were writing poems together in the garden. Again, there is the proper noun and two famous writers, authors are there. That's why we have used were. Third sentence, the baby was crying because it was hungry. Baby is singular. That's why we used was. Okay. Then fourth sentence, was Asha not learning classical music last month? Asha is singular. We can begin from helping verb was and negative not learning. Okay. Then fifth one, why were you not listening We can begin from WH words. You is plural, considered to be plural. That's why we use were. Why were you not listening to your elders' words? Next kind is past perfect tense. This tense shows an action that had completed at a certain point of time or before some other action in the past. So by this tense, we come to know that our action has been completed on a definite point of time or from the definite point of time, उससे कुछ थोड़ा पहले. So that is past perfect tense. And the rule is subject plus had plus third form of verb. Examples, we had collected our things before it began to rain. Had and collected. Had will be used and collected is the third form. Had you told the truth to your mother before she left for her office? We can begin with the helping verb. The cadets had not finished their meal when we arrived. Who had looked after your home before your family returned from England? What had you eaten before your mother cooked food? So in every sentence you can see the helping verb had, and with that the main action verb we have joined ed, the third form. One note is also given. We use simple past tense for the action that take place later as before it began to rain when we arrived. Simple past tense आप एग्जाम्पल में देख सकते हैं. इट बिगेन टू रेन व्हेन वी अराइव्ड, जहां पर हमारा एक्शन जो है वो कुछ समय बाद यानी कि कंप्लीट हुआ था, कुछ समय पहले कंप्लीट हुआ था और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जस्ट आफ्टर दूसरा एक्शन प्लेस हो गया. So we use for telling past perfect tense like that. It began to rain when we arrived. Okay, both are the actions. Rain started falling and you started arriving. Fourth point, past perfect continuous tense. This tense shows an action that continued till for some time in the past and was incomplete. With this tense, we come to know that our action continued for some time and it also remained incomplete in the past. So for that we will use subject plus had been plus verb plus ing, since and for. Now there is a rule for since and for also. If our main action is going on in progress from the time of starting, जब से हमारा एक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ था और अभी तक सेम एक्शन कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस में है, we will say we have to use since. But when our work has been performed on specific point of time, एक निश्चित समय पर स्टार्ट हुआ है और अब प्रेजेंट में नहीं है, for that we have used for. Like for 2 weeks, the specific point of time. Okay, in example you can see he had been playing for India for more than 20 years. 20 years is a specific point of time. इसको आप देख सकते हैं. It has been given specifically 20 years. That's why we will use for. They had been working in this company since 1990, and because they are still working, the action is going on since. Had he not been working on this project for the last 2 months? Again, specific point of time is there. The period of time is there 2 months specifically. That's why we will use for. And there is a specific point of time, that is the since 1990 specific point of time, and 2 months, 20 years, 2 weeks is a specific period of time. Grandpa had not been taking medicines for 2 weeks. Why? So these were all four kinds of past tense. On the next page, 180, page number, you are having the exercises. This is the page. I am also speaking so as there should not be any confusion regarding spellings, and everything should be clear to you. First exercise is change the following sentences from first person singular to third person singular. The beginning has been given in the brackets. Means the bracket words are given that we have to use as the first person. अब ये हमें sentences change करने हैं, and along with this change there will be also the change of pronouns. Like my brother tried to do my work well. First one, in the bracket it is given my brother. Okay. Second sentence, he liked to read ghost stories. He liked. He liked to read ghost stories. Third sentence, she always greeted my teachers. She always greeted my teachers. Fourth one, they did their work carefully. They did their work carefully. Fifth one, Jyoti walked to school. Jyoti walked to school. Sixth sentence, my sister felt happy to come here. My sister felt happy to come here. Seventh, my son finished his work. My son finished his work. Eighth, my father washed his face and hands before he had his lunch. My father washed his face and hands before he had his lunch. B exercise. Fill in the blanks with simple past tense form in the given brackets. The parrot flew. Fly is the first form And the second form will be flew over our head and perched on a tree branch. Perched. Second, the coach shouted on the students who were defaulters. Students note down that if there is the word given be, be is always given in the past tense and it is changed as per the singular and plural. If plural is given, verb will come there because students are written in the spelling students has been mentioned in the sentence. That's why we are using were. If singular is given, then we use was. Third sentence, did Piyush drew that sketch in 10 minutes. Fourth, who gave you permission to use my pen? Gave. Fifth sentence, I did not pass the blame on anybody. C exercise. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense form of the verb. We have to use past continuous form, but we will see subject is singular or plural. Children. Children is plural, so we will write children were dancing to the tunes of music. Second one, they were getting wet in the rain without umbrella. They is also plural. Third, was she complaining against the favoritism at the workplace? Was she complaining? Okay, students. So this was your first page of 180 of past tense. The next exercises are here. Page 181. Fourth sentence to be continued. Was something hurting you in the right shoe? Fifth sentence. They were jumping about in the courtyard. Sixth, Maria and David were not paying attention to their teacher. Maria and David were not paying attention to their teacher. Exercise D. It's omitted. D exercise. We will continue with E exercise. Put the simple past or past continuous form of verbs in the bracket to complete the sentences. They bought ice cream while they were waiting for the bus. Okay. Next, they watched TV when the phone was ringing. Third, when he saw the bus, he started running. Then he saw the bus, he started running. Fourth, she read a book while her son was sleeping. Now, F exercise. First one, I was taking breakfast at that time. You have to identify the tense. And this is past continuous tense. Second, she divided the boys into two teams. Simple past. Third, we had completed our home assignments before we went to play. Past perfect. Fourth, had she not been taking tuition for the last 3 months? This is past perfect continuous. Fifth one, what made you talk like that? It's simple past. Sixth one, they were not listening to my words at all. Past continuous. Seventh, had he not called me, I would have finished my work. Past perfect. And eighth one, why did you sing so loudly outside my room last night? It's simple past. Okay, class. Now,